What day do you do laundry? What day do you do laundry?
I do laundry on Sunday. I do laundry on Sunday.
Where do you keep your dirty clothes? Where do you keep your dirty clothes?
I keep them in a laundry basket. I keep them in a laundry basket.
Do you separate your clothes first? Do you separate your clothes first?
Yes, I separate whites and colors. Yes, I separate whites and colors.
Why do you separate them? Why do you separate them?
So the colors don't bleed. So the colors don't bleed.
What do you do with the whites? What do you do with the whites?
I put them in one pile. I put them in one pile.
What do you do with the colored clothes? What do you do with the colored clothes?
I put them in another pile. I put them in another pile.
Where do you carry the piles? Where do you carry the piles?
I carry them to the washing machine. I carry them to the washing machine.
What do you put in first? What do you put in first?
I put the whites in first. I put the whites in first.
How much detergent do you use? How much detergent do you use?
I use one small capful. I use one small capful.
Where do you pour the detergent? Where do you pour the detergent?
I pour it into the dispenser. I pour it into the dispenser.
Do you use fabric softener too? Do you use fabric softener too?
Yes, I add a little softener. Yes, I add a little softener.
What water temperature do you choose? What water temperature do you choose?
I choose cold water for colors. I choose cold water for colors.
What about the white clothes? What about the white clothes?
I use warm water for whites. I use warm water for whites.
How do you start the machine? How do you start the machine?
I press the start button. I press the start button.
How long does the wash take? How long does the wash take?
It takes about 30 minutes. It takes about 30 minutes.
What do you do while waiting? What do you do while waiting?
I fold some dry towels. I fold some dry towels.
Where do you put the folded towels? Where do you put the folded towels?
I put them in the closet. I put them in the closet.
Do you hear the machine stop? Do you hear the machine stop?
Yes, I hear the beep sound. Yes, I hear the beep sound.
What do you open first? What do you open first?
I open the lid of the washer. I open the lid of the washer.
How do you take the clothes out? How do you take the clothes out?
I take them out one by one. I take them out one by one.
Are the clothes still wet? Are the clothes still wet?
Yes, they are very wet. Yes, they are very wet.
Where do you put the wet clothes? Where do you put the wet clothes?
I put them in the dryer. I put them in the dryer.
How many dryer sheets do you use? How many dryer sheets do you use?
I use one dryer sheet. I use one dryer sheet.
What setting do you use on the dryer? What setting do you use on the dryer?
I use the normal setting. I use the normal setting.
How long does the dryer run? How long does the dryer run?
It runs for 40 minutes. It runs for 40 minutes.
What do you do next? What do you do next?
I start the second load. I start the second load.
What is in the second load? What is in the second load?
The colored clothes are next. The colored clothes are next.
How much detergent do you add? How much detergent do you add?
I add another capful. I add another capful.
Do you use cold water this time? Do you use cold water this time?
Yes, cold water is best. Yes, cold water is best.
What do you do while it washes? What do you do while it washes?
I clean the lint filter. I clean the lint filter.
Where is the lint filter? Where is the lint filter?
It's inside the dryer door. It's inside the dryer door.
How do you clean it? How do you clean it?
I pull the lint off with my hand. I pull the lint off with my hand.
Do you hear the dryer stop? Do you hear the dryer stop?
Yes, the dryer just stopped. Yes, the dryer just stopped.
How do you check if clothes are dry? How do you check if clothes are dry?
I touch them with my hand. I touch them with my hand.
What if they are still damp? What if they are still damp?
I run the dryer a bit more. I run the dryer a bit more.
Now are they dry? Now are they dry?
Yes, they feel completely dry. Yes, they feel completely dry.
Where do you take the dry clothes? Where do you take the dry clothes?
I take them to the bedroom. I take them to the bedroom.
What do you put on the bed? What do you put on the bed?
I spread them on the bed. I spread them on the bed.
How do you fold a shirt? How do you fold a shirt?
I fold the sleeves in first. I fold the sleeves in first.
What about your pants? What about your pants?
I fold them in half. I fold them in half.
Where do you put socks? Where do you put socks?
I match them in pairs. I match them in pairs.
What do you do with underwear? What do you do with underwear?
I fold it and put it away. I fold it and put it away.
Where do you put the folded shirts? Where do you put the folded shirts?
I put them in my drawer. I put them in my drawer.
Where do you hang your pants? Where do you hang your pants?
I hang them in the closet. I hang them in the closet.
What is the last thing you fold? What is the last thing you fold?
I fold the towels last. I fold the towels last.
Where do you store the towels? Where do you store the towels?
I stack them in the linen closet. I stack them in the linen closet.
What about the second load? What about the second load?
It is ready to come out. It is ready to come out.
Do you fold those two? Do you fold those two?
Yes, I fold everything. Yes, I fold everything.
How long did all this take? How long did all this take?
It took about 2 hours. It took about 2 hours.
Are you done with laundry now? Are you done with laundry now?
Yes, everything is clean and folded. Yes, everything is clean and folded.